Hello friends, we are going to make an Indian flag in this video using MSW logo. So let's start to make Indian flag. First of all, we need to set pen size. You can choose any one. I am choosing this size number 4. Now to draw the stick of that flag, first of all we change the color to brown. Set up to brown. First of all, we are setting the position of our turtle. FT. Now, RT. Starting to make it stick. In brown color. FT 500. Then pen down. Now FT 500. Stick has been made. RT 90. Now change the color of the pen. Should be orange now. Saffron. We need to make it saffron. Pale color also saffron, so flat color. You can also make outline of black color. I am looking for black color. It is easy. You need to set pen color again and again. Fill only the between colors. FT 100. See, fine. Every 200 is done. Now 100 plus 100, 200. We have to move in the downward direction. Now we will choose the RT 90. FD 50. Again RT 90. FG 200. RT 90. Now we have to bring the turtle inside of this rectangle round. Pen up. PK 20. RT 90. FD. So now we will use fill. Color has been filled. Now to make the right part of the triangle of the flag, rectangle flag, we need to move the turtle. RT 90. FT. We have to move it in the now in the left direction. FT 90. Now it is in correct position. The turtle by pen down. FT 200. FT. First I need to turn it. For turning it to the downward direction, we will use RT 90. FT 100. Now to the right, RT 90. FT 200. RT 90. FT 100. We have made 2 portions in one go. Now BK 50. RT 90. FD. Fine. White is already filled. Now we need to fill only green color in the lower portion of the flag. Fine. So we will moving the dot to the inside position, pen up, VK 30, RT90, FT10. Now we will use the fill color by setting flood color green, a darker green this way. Now write the command here fill and it will be filled. If you want to make, like now my stick is not looking so good, so I am making it more beautiful by widening the size of the pen. RT, first moving turtle. Pen is up, RT90, FT. The correct position. Now, first of all, I have to set pen size to a broader one. Setting pen color to brown. See, it has been drawn up. So in the same way, we can draw many other drawings. To see the drawings, many other and learn in MSW, please follow our channel, like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.